This is another Elgin pocket watch here, and actually we used to wear this one to work. It's just the right size in terms of diameter and thickness, quite thin. It's running very, very strong. So we'll step through um, each of the phases of taking this thing apart and reassembling it, and then I'll give you a shot of the movement running. And here it is after all the cleaning and oiling. It's a 7-joule unit, so it will not go quite so long between services, but here it is. A nice old Elgin pocket watch. One thing to note too is the hinge did break on this at some point. Some jewelers set it up so that this case actually can just pop on there with a friction fit rather than use the hinge. And that works quite well.